Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using Google Images reverse search feature. Open Images. Google. And click the camera icon or drag the file straight into the bar. Make sure the image is high quality. Small or cropped images reduce match accuracy. Once done, note the file name, any visible watermark, and basic EXIF clues because those hints will guide your follow-up. You're starting with evidence, not assumptions. This speeds up verifying results and avoiding false leads. Once Google returns results, scan the top matches and click Visually Similar Images. Then refine by size, color, or usage rights to prioritize originals. If a full image match is messy, crop to the subject and reverse search that piece instead. Make sure to run the image through Bing and TinEye to compare sources, and open a metadata viewer when available. This cross-checking reveals earliest instances and often the true uploader. That redundancy helps confirm authenticity and origin. You finish by verifying the most plausible source. Open candidate pages and confirm publication dates, author credits, and whether the image appears in original context. Inspect image file names, sitemaps, and cached or web archive versions to find the earliest appearance. If you still can't locate the origin, change resolution or crop, tweak keywords, and retry. Alternatively, use a reverse search API for bulk checks. One key troubleshooting tip. When matches conflict, prioritize the earliest date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.